The Ramayana is full of miracles. But what if I told you the evidence of one of its greatest chapters is still visible today, not in a book, but in the geography of Uttarakhand? We all know the story. Lakshman lies wounded, and Hanuman flies to the Himalayas to find the Sanjeevani booty. But when he couldn't identify the herb, he didn't just take a branch. He took the entire mountain. Today, we are traveling to the remote village of Dronagiri in the Chamoli district. Here, legend says the mountain still bears a scar from where Hanumanji carved out a piece. To this day, the villagers of this valley refuse to worship Hanumanji. Why is a part of this mountain still missing? And what is the scientific truth behind this ancient site? Let's dive in. At an altitude of about 11,800 feet lies the village of Dronagiri. It's one of the last outposts before the Tibetan border. The mountain overlooking the village is the Dronagiri Parvat, the missing piece. If you look at the peak of Dronagiri, it doesn't look like a standard mountain spire. It has a distinct, flat, cut-off appearance, as if a massive scoop was taken out of its side. The local legend. According to the locals, when Hanumanji arrived here, he asked an elderly woman where to find the life-saving herbs. She pointed toward a specific flank of the mountain. Hanumanji, in his haste to save Lakshman, used his immense power to lift that entire section. Because Hanumanji mutilated their sacred mountain, their deity, the people of Dronagiri have held a grudge for thousands of years. Even today, during the local festivals and Ram Leela, Hanumanji is often excluded from the celebrations. Now, let's look at this through a modern lens. Is it just a myth, or is there a geological explanation for why this mountain looks cut? First, glacial erosion. The Himalayas are constantly being shaped by ice. Geologists suggest that massive glaciers moving over thousands of years can shear off the sides of mountains, leaving flat, vertical faces. Second, landslides and seismic activity. Uttarakhand is in a high seismic zone. It is possible that a massive prehistoric landslide caused a huge chunk of the mountain to collapse, creating the missing look we see today. However, there's a catch. The local herbs found in this specific region of Dronagiri, like Keeda Jadi, caterpillar fungus, and other rare medicinal plants, are unique to this altitude. Could the Sanjeevani actually be a rare Himalayan species that only grows on these cut slopes? If Hanumanji took the mountain, where did he put it down? Traditional belief says He dropped pieces of it along the way. Interestingly, in Sri Lanka, specifically at Rumasala, near Gaul and Ritigala, there are isolated hills that stand out from the local geography. The mystery, soil composition. Scientists have noted that the soil and plant life on these specific hills in Sri Lanka are completely different from the surrounding tropical vegetation. Himalayan herbs. Some medicinal plants found on these Sri Lankan hills are typically found only in the high Himalayas. Could these be the missing pieces of Dronagiri? It's a fascinating coincidence that bridges the gap between faith and physical evidence. Whether you view it as a geological marvel or a divine mark of the Vayuputra, the mountain of Dronagiri remains a symbol of an epic that refuses to fade. It stands as a reminder that our landscapes are often the best storytellers of our history. The missing part of the mountain isn't just a gap in the rock, it's a bridge between a village in Uttarakhand and a hill in Sri Lanka, connected by a single incredible journey. What do you think? Is it a natural phenomenon or the footprint of a miracle? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mysteries from the heart of the Himalayas. See you in the next one.